Well, howdy do, folks. This here's the after the snowstorm. I kind of shoveled off the sidewalk. There was a guy plowing the snow. Shoveled the sidewalk off a little bit as much as I could. This stuff is really hard. Snow's getting harder on the ground, but I did the best I could. And we had our neighbor over there. He snow plowed this much of the driveway. Pretty good job, I guess. And my car is I try to get all the snow off it, but it's in like a big thick layer. But yeah, the sky is clear now, as you can tell. And hopefully we don't have any. I think we're supposed to get some more this upcoming weekend here, which is not good because I don't want any more. But this is excuse me, had a little frog there in my throat. But anyway, this is pretty much what all is left of it. Snow got up to our door. Can you believe it? Looks like we ain't gonna get no mail. No bills. That's good. But yeah. Driveway's kinda shoveled off. Good place for Dad to come in. But that's all I got to show you. And well, actually let's go look at the streets, yo. That's how it looks. Don't look too bad. Looks drivable. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see y'all on YouTube. Bye bye.